Hi everyone, let's learn to tap the correct word. Tap the correct word. You cannot eat here. Hoo-hoo. Eat. You can not eat here. Tap the correct word. A dog has 4 legs. 4. Hoo-hoo. A dog has 4 legs. A dog has 4 legs. Get me a toy. Get. Hoo-hoo. Get me a toy. I am good at tennis. Good. Hoo-hoo. Hooray. I am good at tennis. I am good at tennis. Good job. I have a fever. Have. Hoo-hoo. I have a fever. He is my best friend. He. Hoo-hoo. Hooray. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. Get into the car. Into. Hoo-hoo. Get into the car. I like cake. Like. Hoo-hoo. Hooray. I like cake. I like cake. She must be sick. Must. Hoo-hoo. She must be sick. I ate chocolates. Ate. Hoo-hoo. Hooray. I ate chocolates. I ate chocolates. This is my new guitar. New. Hoo-hoo. This is my new guitar. No one is around. No. Hoo-hoo. Hooray. No one is around. No one is around. Good job. Let's having some fun. I need help now. Now. Hoo-hoo. I need help now. Turn on the radio. On. Hoo-hoo. Turn on the radio. Turn on the radio. Let's find new words. We lost our way. Our. Hoo-hoo. We lost our way. She is out now. Out. Hoo-hoo. She is out now. She is out now. Keep it up. Collect your gift. Special gift for you. You are doing so outstanding. Please give me a glass. Please, hoo-hoo. Please give me a glass. I am pretty sure. Pretty, hoo-hoo, hooray. I am pretty sure. I am pretty sure. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I ran outside. Ran. Hoo-hoo. I ran outside. I will ride my bike. Ride. Hoo-hoo. I will ride my bike. I will ride my bike. Good job. Thank you for your time.